Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer 3x, that is about 2x and x. Next, this one that is about identities. So this one divide by this one, so we have number 1. So the square root of x, that is about x to the power of 1 over 2. So this one, if we want to put this one go to numerator, so we have x to the power of negative 1 over 2. And now we have the formula in here. So I will put negative 1 over 2 gone here. So negative 1 over 2 plus 1, we have positive 1 over 2 over 1 over 2. And we put the bounds from number 1 to number 3. So I will put number 3 gone here, number 1 gone here. So that is about number 2 with the square root of number 3. And this one, that is about number 2. So about x, that is about the square root of x to the power of 2. And now we need to simplify it. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equal to tan t square, because if I put this one gone here, tan t square plus 1, we have secant of t square. And later that we simplify power number 2 and dx, and then we can simplify the square root of x. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So we need to change the bounds. When x equals to number 1, so we put number 1 gone here to find the value of t. So t equals to b over 4. When x equals to number 3, so I will put number 3 gone here to find the value of t. And that is about b over 3. So because if I put b over 3 go back in here, tan b over 3 to the power of 2, you got number 3. So number 1, we change for b over 4. Number 3, we change for b over 3. S, we change for tan t square. ds, we change for this one. So this one, we have secant of t square. And now we simplify secant of t square, secant of t square. This one, you got tan t. So number 2, I will put outside tan t, we have tan t square. Now we have the formula in here. So this one, we change for this one. And this one, we change for this one. And now we simplify and you got sine t square. So we have the formula in here. So I will put this one go in here. Number 2 and number 2 we cancel. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, that is about t. The next one, we have 1 over 2 sine 2t. And we put the bounds from b over 4 to b over 3. So I will put b over 3 go on here. And b over 4 go on here. So we calculate this one. So we have this one. Now we need to combine the values in here. So this one, that is about this one. And now we simplify again. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.